I'm going to show you how you can set your working directory in RStudio, which means you specify the place or folder you are working in and where all files are stored for your R project. So for example here, when you just want to load a CSV file, we can just try that. We see here we have no such file or directory. So first of all, we need to set our working directory either manually or automatically. So for the manual setup, we just go to Session, Set Working Directory, and we choose the directory. And here I just have this folder here in my desktop, and I just select this folder as my directory where I have all my files located which I use for my R project. So we can just open that. We see here we set the working directory to the desktop folder for R, so I just copied this one up here, so for next time I can just run this command and we already set the working directory manually. So the other way is to do it automatically, so we always just use the current folder where the R script is located. For that we just install the package rstudioapi. In my case I already did that, so I just put that away. And what we need to do is just this one liner. We just set our working directory to the folder we are currently using. So we just use this command. And now if we want to read this example, which we have here as an Excel file and as a CSV, we can just read in this CSV file in R. We can view example, and then we just have the same table as CSV or Excel file in here in the RStudio, and we can also hit summary example, so we get a small summary statistics out of it. The thing is, for the second method, you can just reallocate your R script and it will still work. For the first method, you need to adjust this. When you move your R file to another folder, you need to adjust that one. The other one is just directly automated, so you don't need to switch any command. Subscribe for more content. Thanks a lot and have a nice day.